Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk through how to remove unwanted objects and photos on iPhone. Here are the steps to remove unwanted objects and photos on iPhone. Using the built-in Photos app on iOS 18 or later with Cleanup tool. First is to open the Photos app on your iPhone. Find and select the photo that has unwanted object. Tap Edit at the top right corner of the screen. Tap the Cleanup tool icon. Looks like a dotted outline with a brush. Zoom in on the area of the photo that contains the object you want to remove. Use your finger to paint over the unwanted object carefully. The app will automatically analyze and remove the marked object. Check the result. If needed, repeat painting over any remaining parts. If the removal looks odd, tap Undo and try again with a smaller brush. Once satisfied, tap Done in the bottom right corner. Your cleaned up photo will now be saved automatically in your photos library. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.